Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread. First, gather your ingredients. 3 ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, and 1/3 cup of melted butter. Make sure your bananas are very ripe, with plenty of brown spots, for maximum sweetness and moisture. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Begin by mashing your 3 ripe bananas in a large bowl until mostly smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together the 1 egg and 1/3 cup of melted butter. Now, in another bowl, combine the 1 1/2 cups of flour, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This keeps your dry ingredients evenly distributed for a consistent bake. Now, pour the egg and butter mixture into your mashed bananas and stir well. Gradually add the dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing just until combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your banana bread tough. Pour the batter into a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Bake your banana bread for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. This easy method ensures a moist, delicious loaf every time. Enjoy your homemade banana bread. Check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.